Hello, beautiful babes. Sweet Angel here, right here on Sugar Fingers. Yes, might not look like Sugar Fingers right now, but girl, we're about to get this together. But doing something different, using builder gel to put on my Makartt press-ons. I've got to prime my nails and dehydrate, so I'm using this Model 1 set here that I got from Amazon. Everything I'm using will be linked down in the description box, so make sure you pay special attention to the description box for all of the goodies. You got to prep and prime your nails. That's the way your enhancements stay on. And if you don't do that, if you experience lifting and all of that jazz, you just haven't prepped them right. So make sure you do that. And now I'm priming right now, so just speeding through the process and showing you bits and pieces. Next up, I have I want to call it AIMEILI. I guess that's what you call it. It's the Builder Base Gel. I got this from Amazon. It came in a set of two. Well, a base coat, which is the Builder Base Coat, and also the top coat. And I'm just going to try my first one here and put on my Makartt press-on nail, which is the stiletto style nail. I looked at my nail and I said, let me check this out. It kind of looked like it wasn't in all of the little areas, so I made sure I went ahead and reapplied a little bit more of it just to make sure I had enough on there. I didn't want to mess up, and I didn't want to put too much, but I didn't want to mess up because this is my first time doing this, and I really wanted to make sure I covered every ground, but didn't want it too thick because I didn't know if it was going to slide, move, or what have you. But it's really thick. So now I'm taking a press-on nail, and no, I did not etch out the portion that's touching my nail. I just don't generally do that because I don't generally want mine to stay on extremely long anyway. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and put this in the UV lamp or LED lamp, whichever one you have. I thought that, hey, it seemed like it adhered pretty well. It doesn't take long to cure it, 60 to 90 seconds. There was a little bit of an air pocket in there, but I don't really think it mattered because right here today as I'm doing this voiceover, the nails are still on. So that has been several days ago, and I've had no problems whatsoever with my nail. I'm going to continue this for all of my nails and move forward through the process. I'll also do my right hand off camera, so just watch and see how simple this is. You saw that little clamp. I got those from Amazon. They work okay, but I still use my hand to press it on more effectively than I did with that because I wanted to make sure there was no air pockets in all the other nails, and it worked out perfectly. Let me just go on through the process and finish up here. Okay, that didn't take long at all. So right now I am buffing the nails. Buffing is pretty much essential, I think. The top of the nail, buffing that smooth surface off so that whatever you're going to put on, whether it's polish or acrylic or more gel, it doesn't matter. It really helps it to adhere to that rougher surface rather than it being smooth. So just keep that in mind. So that's what I'm doing right now, moving through the process on that, and I'll just let you watch along as I finish up that process. Now, I noticed as I was buffing my nails how sturdy they really feel. That's what really let me know this is going to work for me. The reason why I really wanted to try this method is because for my nail bed, it's pretty flat, and most of these nails do have a little bit more of an arch in them, and my nail and the false nail or press-on don't meet up. So this builder gel really helped to give me a nice little cushion in between my nail and the press-on nail. So I like that a lot. I really do. And as I was filing it, you will like try to hold your nail to make sure it doesn't pop off or anything like that. But this really worked out pretty well. I think this is going to be a keeper in my nails, as far as builder gel and press-on nails. Now, I'm using the Makartt press-on nails. The builder gel base gel is by AIMEILI. I want to say that's what it's called, AIMEILI. That's what it looks like. And I'm also subsequently going to do some type of nail design on these, but I wanted to make sure that I had a great steady nail before I put any work into making them even cuter. So I liked it a lot. And beautiful babes, this is pretty much it. I just wanted to share this with you. I will let you know how this wears over the next several days as I pop back in to let you know what's going on with them, but it worked out pretty well. This is it, the AIMEILI Builder Base Gel, and it cures under a UV or LED light that you'll need, and I love it. I think it's pretty simple, even more simpler than using acrylic to adhere the nails, and definitely more sturdier than just nail glue. So there you go, beautiful babes. Hope you enjoyed it. I hope you definitely got something out of it. If you were thinking about purchasing the Apres gel system, I think you might want to try this first and see if it works for you, because I think it will. I'm your girl, Sweet Angel, signing out right here on Sugar Fingers. So please stay tuned right here on the channel, and always keep your hair, face, your nails, and your feet looking gorgeous. I'll see you on the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.